Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. One of the biggest headaches in using crypto for payments is the wild price swings. One day, you can buy a pizza. The next day, maybe just a slice. It can make buying and selling a pretty unstable experience. That's where stablecoins come in. They were designed to give you the lightning speed of digital transactions, but with the stability of fiat currencies like the US dollar. Right now, Tether, which is backed by US dollar reserves, is the most popular kid on the block. But there's another major player in the game, DAI. It takes a completely different approach. Instead of relying on the dollar, it's backed by a vault of other crypto tokens, and it's looking to shake things up. So the big question is, which one is a better bet for your money, DAI or Tether? Stick with us as we break it all down and compare Tether and DAI head-to-head. What is DAI? All right, let's start with DAI. DAI is an algorithmic stablecoin built on the Ethereum blockchain that hit the scene back in 2017. Its development is managed by a really cool decentralized organization called MakerDAO. Unlike other stablecoins, DAI maintains its peg to the US dollar by being backed by a collection of different crypto tokens. Whenever a new DAI is created, a bundle of other crypto assets gets locked away in a smart contract as collateral. Think of it like taking out a loan. If you want to get some DAI, you have to deposit at least 150% of its value in other tokens as collateral. To be extra safe from those crazy market swings, many traders actually keep 300% to 400% of the value locked up. If your collateral's value drops and you can't top it up, your position gets liquidated to cover the loan. What is Tether? Tether is one of the oldest and most well-known stablecoins in the crypto world. Just like other stablecoins, its main goal is to shield users from the volatility of the crypto market. But unlike DAI, Tether is backed one-to-one by actual US dollar reserves. This means you can, in theory, swap your Tether tokens for US dollars at any time. Tether is issued by a Hong Kong-based company called Tether. The company's reserves are managed by a consortium of financial institutions, and they are regularly audited by third parties to keep things transparent. Key features of DAI. So what makes DAI special? 1. Decentralized financial freedom. Minting DAI is super easy. As long as you have the collateral, you can borrow DAI from the network whenever you need it for transactions. This gives you stability while still letting you enjoy the freedom of digital finance. Generate income. The DAI savings rate is a neat feature that lets you earn rewards just for locking up your DAI tokens in a smart contract. It's kind of like staking. Your DAI balance grows over time based on the current savings rate, giving you a nice stream of passive income while you participate in the platform's governance. And what about Tether's strengths? Long market presence. Tether has been around since 2014. That's a long time in crypto. It has had years to prove its security and efficiency, and has a strong track record of keeping its value pegged to $1. 2. Easy convertibility. Since Tether is backed one-to-one by the US dollar, converting your tokens into fiat money is incredibly simple. This makes it a breeze for businesses to accept payments in USDT and for traders to move in and out of positions. 3. Low fees. There are no transaction fees for just sending or receiving Tether. You only pay a small fee when you're converting other crypto assets into USDT or cashing out your tokens back into US dollars. DAI offers a really attractive decentralized alternative to traditional stablecoins. You can lock up your Ethereum as collateral and use this stablecoin without worrying about massive price swings. On the other hand, Tether, with its massive market cap, is still the most popular choice in the crypto world, and for good reason. Its easy conversion to US dollars and regular audits have earned users' trust. How secure is DAI? the crypto market is famous for being volatile. While most loans on the DAI platform are heavily over-collateralized, sometimes up to 400%, some users only put up the minimum. In a sharp market crash, this could put those over-leveraged borrowers at risk of liquidation. How secure is USDT? Tether is the biggest and most widely used stablecoin out there. It's accepted on almost every platform and has the highest market cap by a long shot. However, since it's backed by fiat reserves held by a central company, it does carry counterparty and credit risks. You're trusting that the company has the reserves it claims to have. On the plus side, transaction fees are very low. Plus, Tether is easy to get, and converting it to US dollars is straightforward for both individuals and businesses. So, which one is for you? If you're already an Ethereum holder and you're looking for a stable, decentralized way to trade, DAI is a solid and secure choice. But if your main priority is simple, fast, and low-fee transactions with wide acceptance, Tether is still the undisputed king of crypto trading. Ultimately, the choice between DAI and Tether boils down to your personal strategy. Are you looking for decentralized freedom, or do you prefer mainstream convenience and massive liquidity? The choice is yours. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below which one you prefer and why. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto breakdowns. See you in the next one.